Imagine turning your laptop into a cash machine, spitting out Benjamins with every click. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that you could earn from anywhere, anytime with just a few clicks? Have you ever wondered what digital products can make you rich overnight? We're diving deep into the digital gold mines that are turning ordinary folks into online moguls. Get ready to unlock the secrets of the digital age, because this is your guide to the top 10 digital products that are selling like hotcakes right now. Okay, so you think you need to be a literary genius to make money from ebooks? Think again. The digital age has democratized the world of publishing, making it accessible to everyone. The truth is, everyone's an expert at something. You don't need a degree in literature or years of writing experience. Whether it's baking the perfect sourdough bread, mastering the art of astrophotography, or even sharing your unique life experiences, there's an audience hungry for your knowledge. People are always looking to learn new skills or gain insights from others. Ebooks have revolutionized the publishing game. No longer do you need to worry about the complexities of traditional publishing. Forget about chasing traditional publishers and printing costs. You can write it, design it, and sell it all online. The process is streamlined and user-friendly. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it stupid easy to get your book out there. With just a few clicks, your ebook can be available to millions of readers worldwide. And the best part? You get to keep a big chunk of the profits. Unlike traditional publishing, where the publisher takes a significant cut, self-publishing allows you to retain more of your earnings. So, what are you waiting for? Start typing. Your story, your expertise, your passion, it all has value. The world is waiting to read what you have to say. Remember that time you aced that exam or blew everyone away with your killer presentation skills? Well, guess what? Those skills are worth their weight in gold online. Online courses are booming, my friend. People are craving convenient, affordable ways to learn new skills, and that's where you come in. From coding to cooking, photography to fitness, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable make it a breeze to package your knowledge into bite-sized, engaging lessons. So dust off that thinking cap and get ready to educate the world one online student at a time. Got a knack for capturing stunning sunsets or quirky everyday moments? Well, your photography habit could be your ticket to passive income. Stock photography websites are constantly on the lookout for fresh, high-quality images to add to their libraries. And the best part? You earn royalties every time someone licenses your photo. Think about it, you could be sipping margaritas on a beach in Bali while your photos are raking in the cash. Platforms like Shutterstock, iStock Photo, and Adobe Stock are great places to start selling your visual masterpieces. So grab your camera, get snapping, and watch the money roll in. Calling all musicians and producers. Gone are the days when you needed a record deal to share your music with the world. The digital age has empowered independent artists like never before, and downloadable music is where it's at. Platforms like Bandcamp, SoundCloud, and even social media platforms like TikTok have become launchpads for musical success. You can sell your tracks directly to fans, build a loyal following, and even collaborate with other artists. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's time to let your music be heard and watch the downloads and the dollars pour in. Let's face it, we live in a tech-driven world, and software and apps are the engines that keep it running. Every day, new apps and software solutions are being developed to solve problems, entertain, and make our lives easier. If you've got coding chops, you're sitting on a goldmine. From productivity tools to entertainment apps, the possibilities are endless. Imagine creating an app that millions of people use daily. The demand for innovative software solutions is higher than ever. Businesses and individuals alike are constantly on the lookout for the next big thing in tech. You can create and sell your own apps through app stores like Apple's App Store and Google Play, reaching a global audience with just a few clicks, or offer your coding services as a freelancer. This allows you to work on diverse projects and build a robust portfolio. The beauty of software and app development is that it's a scalable business. You can start small and grow your operations as your app gains popularity. Create a killer app once, and it can generate passive income for years to come. Imagine earning money while you sleep, thanks to the app you developed. So fire up your code editor and get ready to build the next big thing. The world is waiting for your innovative ideas and solutions. Don't just dream about success, code your way to a fortune. Artists, designers, and creative souls, this one's for you. Printable artwork is a fantastic way to monetize your digital creations and bring joy to people's homes and offices. From wall art prints to greeting cards and invitations, the possibilities are endless. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and even your own website make it easy to showcase and sell your designs. People are always looking for unique and personalized artwork, so tap into your creativity, create eye-catching designs, and watch as your digital masterpieces find a place in homes around the world. Remember the days of spending hours creating the perfect resume or struggling to design a professional-looking website? Well, digital templates are here to save the day. If you've got a knack for design and organization, creating and selling digital templates could be your ticket to digital riches. From website templates and social media graphics to resumes, invoices, and even business plans, there's a template for everything. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Template Monster offer a vast marketplace to sell your digital creations. So, put your design skills to work, create templates that make life easier, and watch the sales roll in. Hold on tight because virtual reality, or VR, is about to take the world by storm. VR content is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a rapidly growing market with incredible potential for creators like you. From immersive gaming experiences and virtual tours to educational simulations and training programs, VR opens up a whole new dimension of possibilities. Platforms like Oculus and Steam are constantly on the lookout for fresh, engaging VR content. So, if you're ready to push the boundaries of creativity and innovation, dive into the world of VR content creation and ride the wave of the future. Do you have a voice that captivates, a story to tell, or a passion you want to share with the world? Imagine turning that passion into a thriving podcast that reaches listeners across the globe. Then podcasting might be your calling. It's a dynamic and versatile medium that allows you to express yourself in ways you never thought possible. Podcasts have exploded in popularity, offering a powerful platform to connect with audiences, build communities, and yes, even generate some serious income. Whether you're sharing your expertise, interviewing fascinating guests, or simply entertaining listeners with your unique perspective, there's an audience out there waiting to hit that subscribe button. Platforms like Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and Google Podcasts make it easy to distribute your podcast to the masses. The tools available today make it simpler than ever to produce high-quality content. From user-friendly editing software to detailed analytics, you can refine your craft and grow your audience. So, grab your microphone, find your voice, and get ready to broadcast your message to the world. The journey of podcasting is not just about speaking, it's about connecting, inspiring, and making a difference. Your voice has the power to change lives, one episode at a time. Imagine creating a loyal community of fans who pay you every month to access your exclusive content and connect with like-minded individuals. Sounds pretty sweet, right? That's the power of membership sites. Whether you're a fitness guru, a business coach, or an online educator, membership sites allow you to cultivate a dedicated following and generate recurring revenue. Platforms like Patreon, Memberful, and Podia make it easy to set up and manage your membership site. So identify your niche, create valuable content, and build a thriving online community that supports your passion and your bank account. So there you have it, 10 digital gold mines that can transform your laptop into a money-making machine. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or a marketing guru to succeed. All you need is passion, creativity, and the willingness to put in the work. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What digital product are you planning to sell?